Liverpool, being the most quiet of all the big clubs on the transfer market, buying a grand total of 2 teenagers, one 17-year-old and one 16-year-old. Some Liverpool fans are quietly concerned. This thing about bringing 2 youngsters, I don't like that as a strategy after coming so close to win the Premier League. I don't buy this argument that we got 97 points in the league and win the biggest prize in club football, so decide all right. It don't work so with club football, not in 2019. Last season was last season, and all the strong teams across England and across Europe have gotten stronger except Liverpool. By all means, coach, keep the successful core together. But all things considered, if we're going to defend our Champions League title and challenge Man City again for the league title, we have to do some better business. Again, we punched above our weight last season and got some incredible results. But over 2 or 3 seasons, the quality of the individual players will continue to make the difference between winning the EPL title and coming second. And we have money because we win Champions League. But the one club, he will move like him have mumps and chicken pox and measly in my pocket. He don't want to go in my pocket. He don't want to spend money. Seriously.